7708 Beach Falls. Definitely need a landscape cleanup, but that's something we do at all the properties. So we would change out these locks with landlord locks, and usually have to repaint the door when you do that. There's a little door stopper here, and we have upgraded light fixtures throughout. We need to replace this blind. We have these sort of newer style baseboards, but they look nice. They're high. This is a correct blind, and we have a paper arch fan at the top, so that's great. So it's a little coat closet with carpet. That's pretty similar to this carpet on the stairs. Then we change into tile in the kitchen. We need a total of 5 blinds so far that I've seen, which includes everything, the kitchen, the front room, and this slightly lower room here. It looks like some of this white stuff on the cabinets can just be cleaned off, probably. Undermount sink, gooseneck faucet. I want to make sure that slides open easily. One of the more private backyards that you'll see in Las Vegas. Definitely need to get rid of all these weeds though. This side of the house doesn't need screens at all. The sun doesn't hit it, and it would really brighten up the space if we removed them. Okay, so it's 5 blinds, got 6. This is a powder room. Tile looks good. I need to replace this door. I have no idea what's in the garage, but I need to replace it because that's not up to fire code, and maybe trim that down, sand it down, or just leave it. It may be fine. So we have tile in the laundry, which is something we require. That's the 7th blind. That's a stone counter, and cabinets look great. Gas. So we have gas and electric here. Carpet looks good. Okay, I don't know if that's, I don't know why it's not turning on, but 8, 9, 10. We need a shower rod. $12, $13. So I think we need a total of 13 blinds. We need closet doors and a closet door guide. Carpet looks good. Looks like we have mostly matching, if not all matching, door handles throughout the property. That saves some money. Carpet looks good. And that is tile in there. So, not much to do here.